Hey, this is Danny Jones, and I just wanted to give a little quick intro to Windows 10 and what it looks like, maybe what it's all about. I know that there's a lot of users out there that have not upgraded to Windows 10. If you're a Windows 7, a Windows 8, or 8.1 user, this is a free upgrade to a new operating system. If you're one of those users, you have a full year from July 29th until next year to upgrade your PC for free. And I really recommend doing that. I know that there's a lot of people out there that hasn't upgraded, they don't want to upgrade, or maybe don't know how to upgrade. Um, First thing, if you're a Windows XP or a Windows Vista user, you have to buy a license in order to upgrade to Windows 10. You have to buy the license. But if you're a Windows 7, 8, or 8.1 user, then the upgrade is yours for free. They just want you to go with it and check it out. And how do you upgrade to that? So if you're a Windows 7, 8, or 8.1 user, down here in the systems tray, if your computer is fully up to date, the way it's supposed to be, you'll have a little icon down here, a Windows icon. It looks just like this, only it'll be over here, and that's the Get Windows 10 app icon. And what you do is you click on that, you reserve your copy of Windows 10, and check it frequently, and when it's ready to install, it'll let you know, and then you just upgrade. And the upgrade's pretty easy, actually. I mean, I backed all my stuff up, but you don't have to. And I really did it for no reason, but when you upgrade, it takes all your stuff with you, all your programs, all your email settings, whatever it is. It goes to Windows 10 and it works fine. Anything that you programs that you run, printers, cameras, whatever it is that you're using on Windows 7 or 8, it'll work on Windows 10. It does that. I've done that. So the desktop that you're seeing right now on the screen is Windows 10. If you were a Windows 8 user, you had the big start screen. It started out there with tiles and apps, and you had to swipe in from the left and the right, and do all these things, and that's gone. You don't have that anymore. So this is the desktop. Mine's a lot better than yours because I have an Iron Man on mine. But regardless, um, you have your systems tray icons down here and things that you might use often here. This is Cortana, and we'll get into that in a minute. What most people want is the start button, and the start button is back. So we click on the start button, and we over on this side we have all these things that you're familiar with Windows 7. Your most used programs, applications, apps, whatever you want to call it, are there. Um, if you don't see what you're looking for there, you can just click all apps and scroll down. It's in numerical and alphabetical order to your apps and programs that are there. These are tiles, and a little similar to Windows 8, but it's in the start menu, not the whole screen. Um, you got different things you can click on there: your email, calendar, photos, whatever it is, internet, and there's several of them there. So if you download something and a program or whatever, and you want it there, you can add it to this, or you can take some things off. Whatever you want to do. So all that stuff is there, just like it was in Windows 7. It takes a little bit to get used to, and that's fine, but you'll like it. So here it is again, all the things that you used over there. We don't use Internet Explorer anymore on Windows 10. There's a new program out, and it's called Microsoft Edge. The E looks similar to Internet Explorer, but it's not the same thing. Cancel that, and here it is down here in the taskbar. Microsoft Edge. So I have my homepage set to Google, but it's not based off Internet Explorer anymore. It has a similarity to maybe Firefox or Google Chrome or something like that, and it's just as fast. It really works really well. It's very quick. All the settings are adjustable to it, just like all the other browsers that you use. So you'll really like it. So if you're afraid to upgrade because you don't want to run into a Windows 8, not many people liked Windows 8, and Windows 8 had a lot of negative feedback. It was so different. It was hard to get used to. There's a lot of familiarity here, and you'll really like it. Actually, I'm a Microsoft insider, and as an insider, I actually got a copy of Windows 10 before it was released. Yeah, I put it on a laptop, and I passed the laptop around to several people, and I wanted them to try it out, tell me what they thought, so I could submit a review to Microsoft. And I'll tell you what, every single person that tried it has liked it so far. There's lots of new features there, and with the addition of Cortana. This is Cortana here. Hey Cortana, I need some directions.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
Hey Cortana, I need some directions.
Okay, where do you want to go?
Let's go to Walmart.
I found 10 locations for Walmart. Which one do you want?
And she gives you a list of several. And let's try that again. Let's get some real directions. Hey Cortana, I need directions to Walmart in Osceola, Iowa.
Okay, getting you directions to Walmart Supercenter.
And there it is. She opened it up. It's kind of like a GPS. You could probably print off the directions if you like. I'm sure you can. Hey Cortana. Hey Cortana. I need to make an appointment.
When should I schedule the event?
And she can set up an appointment by voice. Hey Cortana. I need a reminder.
All right, tell me your reminder.
And you can just by voice tell her what you want her to remind you of, and when any of those items are complete, she'll put a notification on the screen telling you what you need to be reminded of. She can search the web for information about things. Show me pictures of or rainbows or birds or dogs or whatever it is. Give me the phone number for Dairy Queen in Leon, Iowa, and she can do that. So hey Cortana, let's send an email. And she can do that too. So there's lots of things that you'll like about Windows 10. It's got the normal desktop that you're used to. It's got a little bit of a different layout to it, but I think everybody's gonna like it. And so far, like I said, that everybody's that I've had tested, it's been 100% like. So when you upgrade to that, everybody's gonna like that. So if you don't have the little Windows 10 icon down in the systems tray by the clock around here, your computer's probably not completely up to date like it should be. Sometimes Windows Update has problems or whatever. So if you don't have that and you want that, then you just let me know, and I'll help you out with that. But you don't have to worry about losing any of your stuff. It's all going to go right along with the upgrade, and it works just fine. And the upgrade is free as long as you have Windows 7 or Windows 8. So if you have any questions about that, you just let me know and I'll help you out. Thanks.